Next, we have specification number 8, which asks us to state the functions of the xylem, specifically in the transport of water and mineral ions, and in providing support. And we have already looked at the role of xylem in transpiration. So here, we're going to quickly wrap up the main functions of the xylem. First, how it carries water and minerals all through the plant, and second, how it gives the plant support, keeping it upright and strong. Xylem vessels are responsible for transporting water and dissolved minerals from the roots to all other parts of the plant. This process is essential for keeping the plant hydrated and supplying nutrients needed for growth and other physiological functions. Apart from transport, xylem also provides structural support. The thickened walls of xylem vessels, especially those reinforced with lignin, help the plant maintain its shape and withstand external pressures. This support allows the plant to stand upright and grow towards the light, which is crucial for photosynthesis. If you look at the diagram, you can see both xylem and phloem, the two main vascular tissues responsible for transport. The xylem is shown in a longitudinal section, consisting of vessel elements that form continuous tubes for efficient water transport. You might notice the terms protoxylem and metaxylem, which refer to different stages of xylem development. Protoxylem develops first, followed by metaxylem, and they can be distinguished by their size and position. Right next to the xylem is the phloem, made up of sieve tube elements and companion cells. Phloem carries sugars produced during photosynthesis from the leaves to other parts of the plant for growth or storage. The diagram clearly shows how xylem and phloem have distinct structures and functions, working together to manage the transport of water, minerals, and sugars throughout the plant.